Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Thursday, the 6th of August. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. We're sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. And you can still plant stuff. We're getting to that time of the year where you're going to want to be putting in more vegetables and things like that for a fall crop. I've got stuff started behind me as I'm talking about this. I've got radicchio and I've also got some collards. I planted some peas, which are actually up already in the garden. Pretty cool stuff. Okay. So today, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, all near or a little bit above 90 degrees. So pretty cool stuff in terms of how hot it's going to be. And there could be a heat wave if some of you reach 90 degrees 3 days in a row, which is possible, especially today, Friday, and Saturday. We may back off a degree or two on Sunday and keep us just under 90. Humidity is super high the next 3 days. That means the nights are very warm, 80s in the evening, 70s after 10 or 11 o'clock. It may stay over 80 degrees in Boston right until midnight or even 1 a.m. a couple of these nights with all the high humidity. Thunderstorms, you ask? Not really a big chance today. Slight chance Friday, Saturday, and not much of a chance on Sunday or Monday. There'll be another chance as we get to Tuesday and Tuesday night, but that's about it. So all in all, I don't see much in the way of thunderstorm activity, but if you get one with all the humidity, look for some downpours as well. Hope you all have a great day.